I bet you've seen plenty of reviews on the Tecno Camon 16 Premier, but you're probably yet to see one on the actual Tecno Camon 16. Yep, this is the Tecno Camon 16. Similar design as the Camon 16 Premier, but with 48 megapixel quad rear cameras, 4 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage, a gaming focused processor, and a ton of other features at a more affordable price. What is up guys, name's Izzy and welcome to the channel. So yeah, this is the Tecno Camon 16, one of the more affordable devices of the Tecno Camon series for the year 2020. You also have the Tecno Camon 16 Premier, the Camon 16 Pro, and the 16S in the series. This one currently retails for around 75,000 naira, and now may actually be the best time to purchase it because Tecno is currently doing an Xmas promo. Here you stand a chance to be among one of the 20 lucky people to win 1 million naira when you purchase a Tecno Camon 16. Also, please subscribe to the channel and let's hit 9k subscribers before the year ends. Now, let's see what comes in the box when you purchase a Tecno Camon 16. You get the standard packaging, that is the blue box. Inside you'll find the device, packed with some standard accessories, a protective casing and a 13-month warranty card. I hope you are aware of the use of the warranty card though. It allows you access free repairs within 13 months should there be any faults with the device, though that does not cover screen damage. You get an 18-watt fast charger, sadly still a micro USB cable, your earphones, and a SIM ejector too. That is about that. This is the cloud white variant. You also get it in purist blue and misty grey. It is a finely designed device with similar design and build quality to the Tecno Camon 16 Premier, but a seemingly different rear finish. It has a plastic build with what seems like a stripe pattern, but it is a glossy finish. You have a fingerprint scanner placed just beneath the quad rear camera bump. On the device frame, we have the volume rocker and power buttons to the right. On the left, we have a dual nano SIM card tray which supports expandable storage, which you might not need as you get 128 gigs of internal storage. At the top of the device, there is nothing, and at the bottom is where you have the noise cancelling microphone, a bottom-facing mono speaker, a headphone jack, and a micro USB port. Hopefully, we can leave micro USBs in 2020. It is not a deal breaker though. The Tecno Camon 16 is a 6.8-inch tall device with a 60Hz 720p IPS LCD display. There is a single 16-megapixel selfie camera to the top left of the display. It is a good-looking display with decent brightness levels and good for media consumption. YouTube content, however, will be capped at 720p. Just above the display, you have dual front-facing flash to help with low-light selfies. On software, the Tecno Camon 16 runs on the feature-packed iOS 7. After setup, you'll meet a ton of pre-installed apps and ads which you may need to uninstall and disable the ones you don't need. It runs on Android version 10. Once you've set up your device to your taste and installed all your favorite applications, you'll find the device to be quite snappy running in and out of applications. With its 128 gigs of storage, you get enough space to use, and should you need more storage, you can also add a micro SD card. For the price point this comes at, you are barely going to find a device with this much internal storage. That is a plus. On handling, you'll find the Tecno Camon 16 pretty easy to use. With the 6.8 inches size though, it is more convenient to use with both hands. The fingerprint scanner is easily reachable and very responsive. You should have no problems unlocking this device. For those interested in the numbers, the benchmark scores on Antutu and Geekbench are pretty impressive, and that is to be expected, as the Mediatek Helio G70 processor is one already proven to be good and gaming efficient. So, if you have gaming in mind getting the Tecno Camon 16, you can expect it to deliver. It runs high graphics games smoothly with no lags. With PUBG Mobile, you can go up to HD and high frame rates. Gameplay is lag-free. With Call of Duty Mobile, you can also go up to high graphics settings and play comfortably with no heating issues. The Tecno Camon 16 packs a massive 5000 mAh battery, which is more than enough to last you a full day even on heavy use. With its 18-watt charger, you can charge it full from 0 to 100 in just about 2 hours and a few minutes. Now let's talk about the primary focus of the Tecno Camon series, that is, the cameras. The Camon 16 comes packed with a 16-megapixel single selfie camera placed on the top left of the display. On the rear, we have a 48-megapixel quad camera setup which includes a 2-megapixel macro camera, a depth sensor, and a QVGA camera. You get plenty of camera modes including short video mode, portrait video mode, super night mode, slow motion up to 240 frames per second, and a ton of other features to explore which might require a dedicated camera review. The pictures taken on this device are decent with good dynamic range and fine detail. With the 48 megapixel mode, you can take higher resolution photos for more detail. On the selfie camera, you also get decent performance both on the normal and portrait shots. With super night mode, you are able to get improved nighttime photography. For video, it can do up to 2K recording at 30 frames per second on both the selfie and the rear cameras.
Okay, testing is a selfie camera test of the Tecno Camon 16, a 16 megapixel selfie camera. Also microphone quality tests. How does it pick sound? How does it record sound? Let me know what you think. Oh, it can shoot in 2K, that is 1440p. It doesn't have stabilization, not wires, not EIS.
So that is the Tecno Camon 16, a more affordable device in the Camon 16 series without compromising on the design, the cameras and the performance, though you are going to have to make do with micro USB ports, but you still get that 18 watts fast charging. What do you think about the Camon 16? Are you getting one? Leave a comment below. See you in another video. Peace.